How to see recently watched videos on YouTube. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open YouTube. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on your profile located on bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on settings located on top right corner of your screen. Then you'll find manage all history. Click on Manage All History and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, you can see all your recently watched videos on YouTube. As you scroll down, you'll find all the recently watched videos. And this is how to see recently watched videos on YouTube. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.